Hello my fellow creators! It's been a while since I shared some of my school projects under animation tutorial. I have a lot of those finished projects in the school that I haven't been shared, and my iPad memories or capacities is getting low of space, so I need to delete some of those photos and videos. So here's another beautiful school project that we finished. Animation tutorials are the best online tutorial that I can recommend to anyone who is up to botanical or realistic style of painting. In her school, there's a project for beginners, intermediate, and advanced style of technique. And this Oriental Poppies falls under advanced style of painting. And during my first few months of joining the school, this one attracts me. So I don't hesitate myself and eagerly started to give it a try. I can say honestly that it is not easy, as you can see here. I'm a beginner on watercolor, color mixing, color harmony, water consistency, and brush style or techniques. All of those are really new to me, but because of her detailed way of teaching, videos, and also her encouragement, I can say that it contributes for us all students to become more confident enough to trust the painting method techniques that animation unselfishly shares to all of her students. The process here you will see on some of my photo slides that I kept on my iPad. On my photo slides you will see my step-by-step process on how I finish painting these beautiful Oriental Poppies. So the original painting was given to my friend already. That was April 17 of 2017, and I had a photocopy. So I tried to photocopy this in two kinds of paper. This is the matte finish, and the other one is the glossy. You can see this is the glossy one. And the paper that she recommends is the Arch Hot Press. And in some of my school project, I use the large size, the 12 inches by 16 inches. And also the watercolor that she recommends is the Winsor and Newton watercolor, and these are the sets of the color palette that we are using. And also the brushes is animation brush set by Rosemary and Company. This is a combination of 5 different sizes: the size 5, size 3, size 1, the 000, and 0. This is a synthetic pointed spather. So she recommends these brushes to all of her school project. All of these materials are crucial to come out in this realistic painting, and of course your own wit and talent. So the first step is to lay out the drawing of your subject, which is also provided in the school. Look on these stamens and the stigma disc. This is really challenging, plus the color combination. But since she provided all the color combination, it is a little easy to keep me insane, right? I'm just kidding. So the seed head or the stigma disc is another challenging painting for me. But after that, it's easy for me to paint. All payments are the hardest part here. I bought this book after I finished many of the school projects, and I wish I had this book when I started painting these Oriental Poppies, so it wouldn't be so challenging for me at all, because in this book I can follow more easily the process technique or the painting technique. Yeah, she had a steps-by-step process plus a color combination. But anyway, I can still paint again these Oriental Poppies on my free time. The thing that I would like to share is that online school tutorial really helps me a lot. But the real turning point is, how can I apply it myself into paper? I mean, painting it yourself, mixing your own colors and controlling the amount of water, your brush techniques that you're gonna use during your painting process is something only you can explore and experience. It is something so fulfilling when you finish something as beautiful as these Oriental Poppies. It is like self-satisfaction that paintings can do to your own self. It is the cultivation of your mind, your body, and your spirit. I really love my painting passion, and that's I would like to share to all of you, my beautiful friends all over this YouTube community. And that's all, and thank you again so much for staying with me and watching my videos and subscribing to my channel, as I always return the good favor you've done to me. And please watch my videos in the proper times. I hope you follow the community guidelines or the YouTube community guidelines, and that's it. And I hope to see you again for my next videos. See you on your own channel, dear. Bye bye, and have a safe and peaceful life ahead of us, everyone.